Now on my last video, I made 7 things that I hate about my Acura RSX Type S, my baby Jade. And if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, make sure to go check it out. But today's video is gonna be about, yes guys, you guessed it, 7 things that I love about my RSX Type S. Bet there's like 20 things that I love about this car, but you know, to be even, came up with 7 things that I hate, so I came up with 7 things that I love about my car. So, and then you guys are probably asking, why is it 7? Why cannot be 5 or 10? You know, why does it have to be 7? Well, 7 is my lucky number because I was born in July 7th. If you guys didn't know, that's my birthday. So yeah, so I love number 7 and lucky 7. So I came with 7 things that I hate and also 7 things that I love. So that's the reason why, if you guys are wondering, why is it has to be number 7, not 5 or 10. So other than enough of me talking, let's jump right into our videos. Alright guys, so the very first thing that I love about my RSX Type S is this beautiful jade green metallic that has on my RSX Type S. I mean guys, just look at it. When the sun hits the paint, look how beautiful that is, huh? And in the nighttime, it looks gray and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Anyways guys, sorry that my front bumper kind of looks messy right now because on my recent video I did the headlight restoration, so all the toothpaste and stuff are kind of on my front bumper right now. So if you guys didn't know, the jade green metallic only comes in 05 and 06 model. It does not come in 02 to 04 model. So just letting you guys know, if you guys are looking to get a blaze orange metallic or jade green metallic, it only comes in 05 and 06 model. So just letting you guys know, if you guys are looking to get a jade green metallic or a blaze orange metallic RSX, it only comes from 05 and 06. Second thing that I love about my RSX Type S is definitely this K20Z1 engine that I got underneath of my hood. This engine is very responsible, it is very reliable, it is very easy to work on. So that's another thing that I love about this car. And another great thing about K20Z1 engine is it goes all the way up to 8100 RPM. But somehow in my car, it goes all the way up to 8500 RPM. That's the max RPM range that I got in this car. So I feel like the previous owner did something different to it. I have a feeling that this car is chipped because it does not feel like a stock RSX at all. Hey guys, so the third thing that I love about my RSX Type S is definitely this Bose subwoofer that's in my trunk that comes from the factory, if you guys didn't know. But you do not need an aftermarket subwoofer unless if you really love the bass, you know, just shakiness, that feeling, if you love that. But this Bose subwoofer from the factory is plenty, I gotta say. Alright, so the fourth thing that I love about my RSX Type S is definitely hands down my spoon N1 exhaust. The only thing that I hate about my spoon exhaust that I mentioned on my 7 things I hate about my RSX Type S video is that the droning sound whenever I do cold start. But other than that, while I'm driving it, it doesn't sound too racy at all. It's, you know, doesn't sound too loud at all. It doesn't drone at all while you're driving it. It's just perfect where it's at right now. And when you're cruising around 3000 RPM and when you let off the foot off the gas, you can hear the blobble noise, and man, that sounds amazing. You just don't get tired of that noise. It just sounds so freaking good. Sounds so good with the exhaust. It makes a huge difference, guys, I'm telling you. But yeah, anyways guys, every time you downshift this thing, it just sounds so good. Another pull, here we go.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
There's a cop. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm so fucking stupid. I hope he doesn't turn around. But anyways guys, the best part about this, the downshift. Oh, that blobble just sounds so nice. So nice. Alright, so guys, fifth thing that I love about my RSX Type S is this leather seats that comes from factory. This leather seat is so comfortable. It like hugs you. So when you're going through the corners very hard, oh man, this seat will hug you so well. It's so comfortable. And if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, you guys know my girlfriend Maria. She's been in this car and she told me that this seat is actually better than there are one in my Taurus, because if you guys didn't know, I used to own a 04 Ford Taurus, and that had, those seats were like a grandma's couch, honestly. And me personally, the Ford Taurus seats feel definitely comfortable, but this seats, it feels like it's like definitely hugging you, and then it feels comfortable in a different ways. Alright guys, so the sixth thing that I love about this car is definitely the coilover that I got on this car. So if you guys didn't know, I got a Buddy Club Racing coilover, and they respond very well throughout the corners. It is amazing. This car in general, it can handle corner very, very well. Alright guys, last but not least, seventh thing that I love about my RSX Type S is definitely this front and rear A-spec lip that I recently installed. The car absolutely looked more aggressive on the car, so that will do for the seventh thing that I love about my RSX Type S. There's like 20 things I could just keep going on and on. You know, like the sunroof, the, you know, the dash, you know, kind of facing towards me, and the gauges and stuff. That, you know, it's just so organized. And yeah, but I can keep going on and on. But you know, as you guys know, I did 7 things that I hate about my RSX Type S, so I had to do 7 things that I love about my RSX Type S as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because there's more mods coming for this RSX Type S. But other than that, boys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.